2017 Dodge Grand Caravan. The Dodge Grand Caravan received the government's highest front and side crash rating of 5 stars. Its vast interior is widely praised, with an innovative seating arrangement, versatile cargo storage, and enough entertainment features to keep the kids entertained on road trips. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power liftgate, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, hard disk drive media storage, 4-wheel disc brakes, CD player, power windows, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, trip computer, brake assist, panic alarm, tachometer, overhead console, remote keyless entry, front bucket seats, tilt steering wheel. Come take a test drive today.